please. In terms of the organ update, not a lot has changed because I was only here a couple weeks ago. I'll just draw your attention to the big numbers that Mike explained to me, including pledges and gifts. There's about $67,000, and we've received about $50,200 of that. So we were excited about that. Mrs. Snell told me a month or two ago I hadn't played a hymn in a while, and then when I heard that Kay had asked for "To God Be the Glory" to be sung yesterday at the funeral, and since "To God Be the Glory" was the hymn sung at our wedding, you're going to hear a version of "To God Be the Glory" this morning.